Alignerrcom review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're looking for remote and flexible work from home, the site Alignerrcom might pop up as an option promising solid pay, yet most people get this wrong. The pricing here isn't about products but about what you pay or give up in terms of time, reliability and trust. Here's what you need to know. Alignerrcom describes itself as a platform that offers training opportunities where people can work remotely, annotating data, reviewing content and earning hourly. Their job listings show pay rates like as for certain expert tasks. Alignerrcom, but independent reviews tell a more complex story. On Glassdoor, trainers rate the company 2 stars with many complaints about payment delays, sudden activation and lack of clarity. Alignerrcom. What you get: potentially flexible remote work, access to interesting tasks in data annotation, a chance to earn from home. What you give up or must check: risk of incomplete payout, unclear job volume, requirement to meet high quality thresholds or be deactivated for minor issues. The effective rate you earn may be far lower when factoring wait times, screening tasks, rejections and unpaid work. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Treat this like a job offer. Check the terms. How many hours guaranteed? How payment is processed? What happens if tasks are rejected? Step 2. Calculate your effective rate. If you are paid as but only get 10 hours per week or have 30% rejection, your real hourly rate may drop significantly. Step 3. Read recent user reviews. Are people being paid? Are tasks consistent? Are there hidden costs or required qualification tasks? Step 4. Decide what your cost is: time, internet outage, risk of non-payment versus job opportunity. Most people get this wrong by seeing an attractive headline, but ignoring the fine print of task frequency, payment reliability and job stability. The surprising truth: remote gig platforms sometimes deliver less value than traditional freelance work because of hidden cancellation or rejection risk. In conclusion, if you're comfortable with risk, have flexible time, good internet and don't depend solely on this income, Alignerrcom might be worth exploring. But if you need stable, predictable income, you may want to consider more established platforms. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more remote work platform reviews and what you're really earning for your money.